What's up, y'all? Got another package. Let's see what we get. See what we get from the TikTok shop. Okay. We got some. Hold on, can you just get this out of here? I was wrapped up in plastic. Ooh, man. This out of here. Wrapped it up nice. I'm about to get to it. Okay. Got these Bask and Lather Grow and Glow Liquid Vitamin, Biotin, Collagen, and MSM. See? MSM. So y'all can. Okay, got that. So this is what we get, and it's listed in the TikTok shop. So y'all go on to my showcase. I'm gonna try these in another video, but y'all go ahead, check these out. Yes, Lord.